Namaste, welcome to new video on Google Forms. In last video, we have seen how to create, share and how to see the responses of Google Forms. In this video, I am going to talk in details about section. Section is helpful if you want to make your Google Forms more organized. This is a sample form made for event registration. If we see preview of this form, then it is a one-page form and all the questions are visible to the user. But if you want user to complete the process stepwise, then we can go for a section. To insert the section in the form, go to the question after which you want the section. For example, I want a section after first question and click on the last option in the list. So you can see section is added and you can rename that section. So currently there are two sections in the form. If you want to move the question from one section to another section, just drag that particular question and drop it in which section you want. So now you can see name, email are added in section 1 and remaining questions are in section 2. So now your form will look like this. Questions from section 1 and then questions from section 2. If you want to change any setting about particular section, go to three dots and then we can perform these operations. And this will be applicable for section including all the questions in that particular section. For example, you want to merge all the questions of this particular section with the above, just say merge with above. And you can see now there is only one section. So here I am adding two sections to understand the further operations. First is accommodation. Description is optional. And another is pickup. If you want to add some more questions which are resemble to the previous section's question, then you can simply duplicate it and then you can edit it. If you want to remove that particular section, then say delete section. As you say delete section, it will delete section and all the questions in that particular section. Next is if you want to move the section. Currently, if you see the preview of this particular form, then first is basic information, then information about accommodation, and then information about pickup facility. If you want to reorder this particular thing, just say move section and then you can reorder it. If you see now, then first is basic information, then information about pickup and then information about accommodation. Now let's talk about interesting feature of section. After asking for a basic information, you are asking for a pickup facility. Do you want pickup? If user is saying no for this particular question, then also these questions are visible for them. Similarly, in case of do you want accommodation, if user is saying no, then also these questions are visible for user. If you want to make it in such a way, if answer is yes for that particular question, then and then only it should jump to the remaining question of that particular category. Then that is very much possible with this option list. But we don't want it after one particular section. We want it for one particular question. So first we will take those questions in our first section. This is one question and this is another question. And I am making one more section after this question. Why I am doing so, you will understand very soon. Now after asking basic information, the next question is do you want a pickup? Answer is yes to this particular question. Then you want to ask further details about pickup. Otherwise, you want to move to the next question, which is about accommodation. So to implement this, we will go to section based answer, and here we will select the section to which we want to jump. For example, if answer is yes, then we want to jump to the section number 3 pickup, and if answer is no, then we want to jump to the next question, which is section 2. Similarly, for this question, if answer is yes, then we want to jump to the section 4. Else, we don't have anything to ask, hence we will say submit form option. Also, after asking about details about pickup, we want to jump to the question which is asking about the do you want accommodation or not, which is in section 2. So let's see how this form will look like. After asking basic information, if I say yes to the pickup, it will ask me further details about pickup. After filling this, if I say next, then it will ask me about accommodation. If I say no to it, then it will directly jump to the submit form. Similarly, if I say no to the pickup, then it will skip one section and it will directly jump to the next question about accommodation. If I say yes to it, it will ask me details about accommodation and then say submit. So using section is a very effective method if you want to cut your lengthy forms into small parts. I hope even you liked it. Thanks for watching.